प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हांची बेगोबेग भेट घेवन केंद्र सरकारान 8 दिसां भितर कर्नाटकान दिल्ले डीपीआर फाटीं घेवचे अशी मागणी गोय सरकारान करची। तशें जायना जाल्यार मुख्यमंत्र्यान पदाचो राजिनामो दिवचो अशी मागणी विरोधी पक्षांनी एकठांय येवन केल्या। तशेंच म्हादय वाचोवपा खातीर विधानसभेत खासा अधिवेशन घेवन हे विशीं निर्णय घेवपाक जाय अशें विरोधकांनी केलां।
As opposition, and I mandale ki we should all unite irrespective of our differences. I am thankful to all the opposition MLAs. We all came on one platform. I also requested the other MLAs from the BJP also we should all gather. But it is sad to see that not a single minister nor an MLA speaks on Mhadei. And certain MLA ministers speak that this issue doesn't pertain to them. It is shocking. Today, 33 जे म्हाका दिसता 33 आमदार आहाय, they are all silent. Why are they silent? Because तांकां कितें फतवा वा कितें येयलां काय कितें तोंड बंद करपाक. Why are you silent? Why are you not fighting? This is not about the Congress party or the Aam Aadmi party or the Goa Forward party or RG or BJP. This is about Goa and Goans. We should fight together. The Chief Minister has announced, that he would lead a delegation, he and the WRD Minister, to the Prime Minister. We tell the Chief Minister that once you lead the delegation, make sure that within a week's time, you withdraw, ask the Honorable Prime Minister and withdraw this DPR, failing to which you should resign on moral grounds. We will back you. You resign if you are unable to do it. See, the court, finally, justice will prevail. We all have faith in the court, but this is a political setup. And our democratic rights, though Sarkar always they try to curtail it. We condemn such moves. We also resolved that immediately there should be a session called and we should discuss on a day on this. Tingabiste bond room on, and even the press are not there. Let the people know that which MLAs and which political parties are serious about Goa and Goans. Let us not fall prey